Scorpion venom, one of the most valuable liquids on Earth. Did you know that just 1 gram can sell for over KES 800,000? Imagine building a million-shilling business right from a small room or a converted chicken coop. No need for huge land, only smart strategy. Kenya is at the frontier of this gold mine. Scorpions are farmed safely in compact, controlled spaces. By maintaining the right temperature and humidity, you can raise these creatures and harvest their venom with careful precision. But why is scorpion venom so precious? Cutting-edge pharmaceutical companies use it for breakthrough cancer research and pain relief treatments. The demand is global. Countries like the US and Germany are searching for reliable suppliers. This is entrepreneurship powered by science, turning deadly creatures into life-changing medicine and serious profit. Is this your next big business move? The potential is real, and opportunity is waiting. Like, share, and subscribe to join the world of innovative entrepreneurs and start building wealth from where you are today.